Okay, today is October 30th, 2022, and it is such a nice day today. The weather is much cooler now, and the pond, as you can see, is filled to the rim. We received rain the last few days, and it did miracles to this place. And I saw some ducks swimming around here earlier, so they flew off as I came closer. But today I am out here checking on some of the work that we've done. I cleared this area right here, as I mentioned earlier. I wanted to make it flatten, pretty much match the driveway area so that I can plant fruit trees in the future. And so it is pretty nice and level, and yeah, pretty muddy. And then we are working on the pad for my shed. And so here it is right here. There's the pad over there. And so the shed should be delivered tomorrow, and they're gonna have to have it installed. I think it might take the whole day, but yeah, look at that. The water is running off there. I need some more gravel to kind of like help with the runoff and stuff like that. But yeah, there's some water over there as well. But yeah, everything's looking good, and I'm very happy about the rain. The grass, I'm sure, is very, very happy. And then you see how flat everything is. So fruit trees will be coming soon. That's what I'm hoping, because I want to plant a few trees at least by spring. And so this is the area. So basically it's gonna go down all the way there, from one tree to the next, and so on out into the entrance. That's what I'm hoping to do. And so my plan is to have sort of like fruit trees on this side here, and maybe also on this side here. That way it'll look really beautiful in the spring when the pears and stuff are blossoming. And so yeah, that's what I envisioned so far. So we'll see. Okay, today we are going to get the shed installed. Man, it was quite a challenge to get everything in here. The truck was having issues getting through to the entrance because of the long trailer that they were towing behind it. But also, once they get in here, the truck got stuck in the mud because it's a very, very wet day. Or I mean, it's wet from the rain. And so here, see, the truck got stuck right here, and we had to get a bulldozer, which is way in the back of the property over there, to pull them out. And we finally got everything pulled out, and the people are starting to install the shed right now. So in the meantime, let's go ahead and walk around the property, and I'll show you some interesting things, and then maybe we'll come back and check out the shed once it's done. Okay, thought I'll take you along and show you some interesting places in the property when it rains. And so there is my pond over there, and this area right here, the wet area, it feeds into the pond. And so we have sort of like a creek that goes all the way here, and I think it leads all the way out into the main road where the actual creek is. And so when it rains, all of the overflow would come into here, and it fills my pond up very, very quickly. And this area is pretty nice in the summertime, also in the springtime. I think it also serves as a really nice spot for the animal to hide as well. So I'll spot deer and other animals through here. Of course, hogs, as you can see, we always catch them on camera. But yeah, you see this is where the runoff is. It goes all the way here down to here, and then through that pipe right there on the ledge, and then into the pond. Okay, today the structure is installed and ready to go. It is complete. It was a little bit delayed, took 2 days because of the wet weather. We got rain again yesterday and the day before, so it's still very wet around the area. And there's my buddy right there. He always comes over and visit me when I come out here, so I always bring him some treats. And so yeah, let's go ahead and take a look inside and see what's how good it's looking. Okay, so here is the inside. I have this sitting on gravel because I was trying to schedule the concrete person to come out, but then it wasn't. I wasn't able to get the time and date, so the structure has to come out here. And so I did talk to him, and he said that I could do concrete after the fact. So that actually works out well for me. So in the future, I'm going to get concrete added to the bottom here, so it would look a lot better. There it is right here, two garages, a door that slides up and down. And yeah, this is going to be a great structure for parking my car when I come out here, or in the future if I invest in a tractor or something like that. So this would also serve as a spot to protect it. But yeah, it looks great. I'm pretty happy with this. The color is exactly what I wanted. I always wanted a little red shed, like, you know, those farm sheds. And so that is the reason why I picked this color. So let's go see it. There it is. That is the color that I chose. I think it looks pretty neat. It's red and white. And yeah, it's pretty cool. I was very uncertain about the spot, because I wasn't sure if it'll get enough shade where it is and stuff like that. And yeah, it's actually getting pretty good amount of shade right where it is. And the rain that we got 2 days ago, I think, was very, very windy. So the structure stood there as it is supposed to. So I'm pretty happy about that. So nothing flew away. But anyway, that's all I wanted to show you guys today. It's a beautiful day, more water in the pond. The sun is up right now, and it's around 60 something degrees Fahrenheit, it just feels amazing. But yeah, everything is coming to life out here in the property. So I think in the next coming months, I might come out here and grow some blue bonnets. I love blue bonnets, so I'm gonna grow it in a few sections. And then also I'm gonna bring out some fruit trees in the coming year to grow here. So I would start with probably persimmons and pears, and yeah, that's probably the two. Maybe figs. Yeah, I do want to grow some figs out here as well. But that's it for now, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.